Hello children. So today we will continue with the same lesson, okay? That is chapter 11, commercial or the cash crops. So in the previous classes we have done with the oilseeds and the beverage crop. So today we will take the third, that is the third group, that's a fiber crop. So under fiber crop we have two crops, that's cotton and jute. So first let's take cotton. So cotton is the important fiber crop of India, as you all know. So, and it is the important fiber crop as it supplies the basic raw material for the cotton textile industry of our country. Then it is grown both as a kharif crop and as a rabi crop, and can be grown in the tropical as well as a subtropical region. And it ranked fourth in the world production of cotton. So now let's see the geographical requirement. Cotton, first the temperature 21 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius with 200 frost-free days, because frost is the worst enemy of the cotton plant. Then next one is your rainfall. It is 50 centimeter to 120 centimeter and it should be well distributed. Soil, it thrives best in the alluvial soil and the black soil. So black soil is often referred to as a cotton soil because cotton thrives best in the black soil. And here the two important points which you have to remember is cotton is a soil exhausting crop. So therefore, okay, it like fertilizers have to be used regularly. That's one point. Second one, since it cannot tolerate the waterlogging or the stagnant water, there should be proper drainage system. So these are the 2 points. Then the areas or the states, it's grown in Gujarat, Punjab, Haryana and Maharashtra. These are the 4 important states where cotton is grown. Now, types or varieties. There are 3 types, okay, which is grown in our country, which are grown: long staple, medium staple and the short staple. Now this word staple means is a length of the fiber, okay. So long staple, that means the length varies, it's above 2.8 centimeter and its thread is strong, therefore it is considered as a superior variety of cotton. Second was the medium. So medium, the length varies between 2.2 to 2.8 centimeters. And the third one is your short staple. It is less than 2.2 centimeters. And in India, all the 3 types are grown. Okay, but mostly this short staple is grown in the southern states. And the long staple, which we consider as a superior variety, is mostly grown in the northern states, that is in Punjab and Haryana. Now the sowing, it is sown in 2 ways. Broadcasting, that means the sowing of the seeds, either broadcasting method or it's in the drilling method. And during the time of harvesting of this cotton, there should be no frost. As I've already told you, frost is the greatest enemy of the cotton plant. There should be warm temperature for the ripening of the cotton balls. Then after the harvesting, there's an important process which is related to cotton cultivation, that's ginning. Now what is this? Okay, it's a separation of the seed fiber and the seed from the raw material. So after the separation of the fiber, the seed is crushed to yield the oil. So these are the certain processes, or we can say the features of the cotton cultivation in India. Now we'll take the second important cash crop, fiber crop, that's next to cotton is jute. Okay, so next to jute, cotton cultivation in India is jute, and its demand is also more because of its cheapness, because of its strength and because of its various uses. So it is known, jute is known as a golden fiber. Why? Because of its color. And secondly, it is also known as a brown paper bag of wholesale trade, as it is used for packing the essential commodities like food grains like rice, wheat and pulses and other food crops. Okay. So let's see the geographical requirement now. First, temperature. So 21 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Then rainfall is 150 centimeter to 250 centimeter, and it should be well distributed. Okay. Then the soil is alluvial soil, and like cotton, jute is also a soil exhausting crop. So, but since it is grown in the deltaic region, okay, in alluvial soil, the soil gets renewed every year during the time of the monsoon flood. So, therefore, they are fertile. Then the states are West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, and also in other minor states. Now, sowing, it's done like by broadcasting method, that is sowing of a seed, or dibbling method. And the harvesting begins as soon as the plant starts flowering. Okay, they are uprooted, or the farmers, they cut the stem close to the ground. Then after that, there is an important process, that is processing related to the jute cultivation, that is retting. So after harvesting, the jute are made into bundles, and then they are like submerged in water for 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so after 2 to 3 weeks, the bark becomes soft and the inner fiber can be removed easily. So for this, water is required. Okay, plenty of water is required. So that is retting process. So here, retting is a microbiological process in which the jute bundles are soaked in water for 2 to 3 weeks to loosen the bark and facilitates the removal of fiber from the stalk, so that the fiber can be easily removed from the stalk. So that process is known as retting.